If you've been waiting for a home that screams power, privacy, and prestige in 2025, then do not blink, because this one and only unit in Lekki might be gone before year 2025 ends. When it comes to class and aesthetics that truly stands your building out of the crowd, this is the only mansion with waterfall flowing through the rooftop of the penthouse. This building sits on fully maximized 600 square meters. I'm more than delighted to tour this home with you, so come right in with me and let's show you everything that this home comes with. Now, welcoming you into this luxury space, you can see this floated panel work right here, and on the other side of the building you have the brickwork. Everything just coming together to give you a beautiful finish. Of course, for a 2025 grand home like this, you expect that this is a smart home, so this is a fully automated home. Now, this house, extremely big and breathtaking, is divided into sections. The first section being here, where you have an anteroom. There are 2 guest bedrooms, and then this is the guest toilet, all in the guest section of the house. Now, this is the first bedroom in the guest section of the house. Breathtaking, lavish windows, and of course it is en suite with its own toilet and bath, and comes with a closet in the bedroom. Walking out of here, you have the second bedroom, also in the guest section of the house, also en suite, well ventilated, and comes with its own toilet and bath with a closet, just like you see right here. This next section of the house welcomes you into the mesmerizing main living room. Before I touch on the functionality of the spaces in this home, now I need you to admire this modern lighting work of this home, the beautifully and professionally done profile light work. Everything, every detail making a statement. Now, imagine you have already taken possession of this home, and imagine all of your guests visiting you for the first time, and that wow gaze at this double height ceiling, the flow of this TV panel from the ceiling to the down of this house, every part connecting seamlessly, enhancing communication from the first floor to the ground floor. Every part of this home was planned and connected in such a way to enhance convenience and comfort for the residents of this home. Now, take a look at this wall, the wall panels that have already been done for you for decorations. Now, from here we'll move right into the dining area. Now, one thing that instantly grabs your attention as you step into this dining area is the lighting, well illuminated. And of course, the profile work done here is not just professional, but it was done in such a way that you just cannot get enough of the beauty. And of course, imagine you eating your sumptuous meal right at this dining. From here you move into your kitchen, fully fitted kitchen that comes with all of the modern kitchen gadgets that you can think of, and you have an island that also comes with a fruits and vegetable washer. Amongst the numerous features of this kitchen is this modern digital waterfall kitchen sink with all of this faucet for different functions, and of course you also have your oven and a microwave. And when you look at the top part of your kitchen, you'll see that all of the cabinets are actually glass covered, giving your kitchen that sleek, really sleek, super sleek luxury look. There is more to this kitchen that booking and inspection would reveal. In the meantime, let's open this door to reveal your pantry. Now, right inside the pantry, there is another door that takes you to the utility room. In the utility room, you can store items like your inverter battery and other electrical items, and this other door takes you to the back terrace. Right beside this staircase is another bedroom, which conveniently should house those elderly members of the family who may not be able to climb upstairs. Very convenient and functional. Thus far on the ground floor, we have successfully toured 3 bedrooms, the living room and the kitchen with its components. Now on this first floor, this is the family lounge. We also have 3 bedrooms right here, as well as the cinema for all of your entertainment. Now let's take a look at it all. Your home theater already comes with a theater set, the projector, the screen, so just come in here with your personal effects. On this wing of the first floor, you have 2 bedrooms, each of the bedrooms coming with a balcony, while at the other wing you have a wine bar and then the 3rd bedroom, making it 3 bedrooms on this floor. This is the wine bar, and right opposite the wine bar there is another bedroom, making it the 3rd bedroom on this floor. So in total we have seen 6 bedrooms. Welcome to the 3rd section of our tour of this waterfall mansion. This right here is a cozy lounge of the master area, and the panoramic glass door behind me takes you to the rooftop terrace, whilst right here into this door takes you into the master bedroom, the primary suite. This bedroom is stunning, absolutely well ventilated with a lot of windows, and of course you have the panoramic glass door also taking you to the terrace. Now every part of the wall has already been demarcated for decoration, for your wall art and all. Now this is the closet area, beautifully done with glass covering, and this is your toilet and bath with a walk-in shower as well as a bathtub, sleek and beautiful. Now, still on the tour of the master bedroom, we have right in the master bedroom a kitchenette, so you don't necessarily have to go downstairs to do your minor cookings like microwaving and doing your dishes. And right here you also have a balcony that avails you view of what's going on behind of your house. Yes, it's a very cozy one. You can have some seats right here. It's spacious and very cozy as well. And moving on from here, you move right into your rooftop terrace, and this is a world of its own. Very spacious, and yes, our waterfall. This is where you have your waterfall fountain right at the rooftop of your home. Take a look at all of this space right here and imagine what you can do with this. Remember this panoramic glass door that we saw by the staircase earlier? Yes, there are those moments that you're having a party, you are having a get-together where people converge at your rooftop. That is the door they will make use of, while the main door to your bedroom gets locked. A major highlight in this mansion is this rooftop. This rooftop boasts of waterfall. Now, not many rooftops in Lagos boast of fountain or waterfall, which is what you have here that makes this building to stand out of all the other buildings in this estate. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. You definitely do not want to miss out on any of my future uploads. Of course, leave a like and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this very listing, and help me share this video with someone in your network that needs to see this very listing. Thank you for doing just that. And for purchase or any other inquiries about this very listing, I am very much reachable on the email on display, or you can reach me directly on mobile or WhatsApp 08036222782, and I will be very glad to help you buy your dream home right here in Lagos, Nigeria.